just check my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah, cause my singles going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah, everywhere I go, you know it's all love. I'm flexing.
Yo, what's good, Crazy Nation? It's your boy Espy of the Crazy. You know what it is? I'm back again with another reaction. This is to XG. I'm gonna be reacting to In the Rain and Is This Love. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head, rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, but my dude still running in, goodbye, goodbye, see you never been like that, like that,
Maya!
never been like that, like that. Yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm watching it.
Wow, that really shows Hinata's vocal progression. Did you hear that? That night after night. Ooh!
It's a shame, what
Wow.
a pity. You got
Listen to
nobody
that.
blame
Oh,
but your
Hinata.
baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm watching it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't
Wow.
you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side.
Nice,
Better
Chisa.
rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you
Wow.
left me in the rain, in
This reminds me of a Destiny's Child song. It reminds me of Cater to You. That is beautiful. I love that.
what else can
Can you hear it?
I do?
Ain't no sun on the line, no umbrella to hide. It reminds me of Cater to You, and I love that. That's so cool.
So let it rain, what else can
I like it. I like it.
Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Ooh, that's so cool. Alright, so yeah, myself and one of my mods were listening to Cater to You. I'm not talking about the whole song. I'm just talking about this specific melody by Kokona. The shape of the ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. It sounds like it has the same melody as Cater to You. The chorus of Cater to You.
Light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you left me. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain.
Nice,
In the
Chisa.
rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how
That's not Judin, is it? I've never heard Judin sing like this. Is that Judin? Anyway, let's keep it going.
funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one will look back. It was only a game, what a pity. Save it all in a frame, we done it, baby. Heart down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side,
Fucking hell, those runs. The runs and the riffs. Jesus Christ. Nice, I want to hear the 250 part where everyone's like, this is wrong. So what? What are they saying on a 250? Maya 240. So they reckon that in the rain is Hinata or Kokona. I want to see the difference on here. What does this person think? What part is it? 3 minutes. Ah, wrong song. Fuck. I was like, oh shit, whoops. Anyway, whatever. We'll just keep it playing. I'll find out on the live performances anyway. Is their tour finishing? Nah, not yet, right? Interesting. The thing that fucks with my mind with this song is the part with Judin. I really want to... If that's Judin, that is amazing how much her voice has developed. And if that's what Judin's voice has become, that is scary to me. Because that was crazy. That's one of my favorite parts of the song. And that's just interesting to me because obviously we've never really heard Judin like sing like this, the way that this song is made. And I like that. It's intriguing. Let's hear Is This Love?
Yeah, you're my sunshine, you're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's just something about it. Soon as we met, I couldn't even help it. Yeah, I got a feeling and I can't ignore
Nice,
it.
man.
I'm playing no games. I mean what I say. Got you on my mind.
Javi?
If you feel the same, won't you swing my way? Baby, don't make me wait. I don't know if it's meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? I don't know why they say love is so blind, something so hard to find, but I think we found it. I think we got it, no doubt about it. If it ain't, then what's love? Someone tell me what's up.
Well, to be fair, this matches the something ain't right energy. Is this like right after something ain't right? Because that would make sense. Now this is after workout. But interesting. Yeah, it matches that energy of something ain't right. This is more them. In the Rain was so floaty. Nah, In the Rain's more for the vocal line. In the Rain's for the vocal line. And they need songs like that because the only song that they have like that is Winter Without You. Oh shit, yeah, I forgot about the ratings. In the Rain, like a 9 around there. That's probably one of my favorite XG songs because it reminds me of like Winter Without You and stuff like that. And that, to me, that's XG's best music. Even though I like when they do this type of sound as well and the rap sound, to me the vocals is where they really, really shine. Like, it's a different sound that I feel like they should address a bit more.
What's love gonna do when you feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me learn what I never knew. Now you got me like, ooh, I don't care. I want you to take me there. Baby, let's get away. Well, I know what it means one day. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Taking over me. Feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? Some things I just can't seem to figure out. This feeling of love jumping up and down. Still don't get it, just being honest. I'm stuck here with the same question, baby. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love?
I don't know how to feel about this song. I actually have no, like, this song fucks with my head the most. Cause it's a good song, but I feel like it's a good song for the vocal line. And that's it. If you get what I mean. I feel like this song isn't complete. Maybe because it's short? I don't know. It feels odd. I feel like this is one of those songs where I have to listen to what it sounds like live to actually give it a rating. Because I don't know. I want to listen to, hold on, let me listen to this again.
Oh no no, oh no no, yeah yeah. Yeah, you're my sunshine, you're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's just something about it. Soon as we met, I couldn't even help it. Yeah, I got a feeling and I can't ignore it. I ain't playing no games. I mean what I say.
To me, it's I feel like there's filters on their voices. And it sounds weird.
Got you on my mind. It still feel the same. Won't you swing my way? Baby, don't make me wait. I don't know
You know
if
what I
it's
mean?
meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love?
But I like the song, especially when it hits the chorus. To me, this song, I don't like the verses. But I love the chorus and I love the bridge. But I don't like the chorus. Like, from what I remember of the verses, I don't like them.
Is this love?
I love the chorus and the bridge though.
Is this love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? I don't know why they say love is so blind. Something so hard to find, but I think we found it. I think we got it, no doubt about it. If it ain't, then what's love? Someone tell me what's love? What's love gonna do when you feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you.
I love this part. Adding that rap makes a big difference. You know what? This song, to me, this song's going to be a grower. Where might be the first time in a while that I've had a song where I don't automatically love it by XG. Which is rare. That's very rare. But I do like it. I like it enough. Like, I would listen to this song a lot. But I don't love it like I love the other songs. Do you know what I mean? Which is very interesting. That bridge is the biggest difference though. That bridge adds so much to the song. I figured out what it is. this song live will do this song way more justice than the audio version, I reckon. Because the thing with the live version is that I'll be able to hear the vocals way more clearer and there's no filters. I feel like there's a lot of filters in this song, which is very rare for XG. I don't remember a lot of XG songs that they feel like they have like a filter on their voices. I don't know how to explain it. I love this part.
This feeling of love jumping up and down. Still don't get it, just being honest. I'm stuck here with the same question, baby. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Taking over me, feel that energy. Is this love?
This part is, by the way, this part is the reason to me, even though I feel the way I feel, it might make it like a 9, like a 8.5, 9. This part is the best part of the song. That last chorus is fucking amazing. Even though like, I feel like on and off about the song, but when it comes to that part specifically, I'm sold. That's the part where I got confused. I was like, wait a minute, like this sounds amazing, you know? Because this part's fucking beautiful. With the backup vocals. I like that. Honestly, this is the most surprising song on the album. I was never expecting to hear a song like this by XG. And I think that's why I'm kind of like shocked. I really want to hear what this song sounds like live. I really want to hear what it sounds like. Very interesting. This is a very intriguing song. Very intriguing song. I'm very curious to hear it again. Especially live. XG Sounds brings us back 20 years, 2004, and moving us back 20 years, 2024. Classic forward 20 years, 2044. What a fucking confusing thing. I'm very happy that they're able to fuck with us like this. Yeah, that's the thing. I think I'm still confused about In the Rain with Jurin's part. I swear that's fucking with me so much. That Jurin part has like fucked with my head so much that I feel like it's affecting my reaction on this, which makes me very happy. Maya Beaver. Maya Beaver's hilarious. Yeah, like that part fucked me up so much. The Jurin part. That like I can still accept like this is just a very, very good song. Like it is a very, very good song. But I think that's why my mind at some point is still fucking me up at the same time. But yeah, that was very interesting. I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued to listen to more of these songs. And that's why I kind of backtracked with what I was saying, where I was like, you know what? I feel like it's a grower to me. That's why I kind of like backtracked it to that, because I was like, because it does feel like that to me personally. But yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. I really like this a lot, and I'm so confused. I want to listen to more, but I want to hear that live. I can't wait to hear what they do with the live performances of these songs. But yeah, that's all I've got to say. So if y'all like this, give this a thumbs up. None of that. Comment if you want to see more. Subscribe. And remember, keep living a crazy life and stay blessed. Peace. Latest. Whoop.